very warm welcome to everyone present here. I, Roshni Shom, DGT Computer Science, IPS Bagrakote, warmly welcome you all to this video. Every age has its scientific discoveries and invention, but today's scientific advancements impact globally in a very short amount of time. Such is the progress made in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. Our principal sir, Dr. Dilip Roy Chaudhary, has motivated and initiated the further growth of this AI and robotics lab in Army Public School, Bagrakote. We enrich your motivation and guidance, sir. Our students of Army Public School, Bagrakote have made some innovative projects. So, let us have a quick look at it.
Hello everyone, this is my project, Smart Dustbin.
Keeping in consideration the current pandemic situation, where there's also need to avoid in-hand contact with various objects, one of them being dustbin. This is the AI dustbin that I have prepared, and this is a robot system can actually pull on the lid of the dustbin automatically with the help of ultrasonic sensors. The ultrasonic sensor exerts ultrasonic waves which can get reflected by any obstacle, and it will get automatically open with the help of the servo connected to the microcontroller.
Hello everyone, this is Robotic Assisted Farming.
This robot system can actually sprinkle water where the water is required in order to save the water. The working of the car is pretty complex, as it first reads the moisture of the soil and then it sends the signal to the microcontroller. The microcontroller also reads the value of the proximity sensor in order to have a specific path to travel. And if the sensor value is higher, then the car doesn't sprinkles the water. And if the sensor value is lower, it sprinkles the water, thus saving the water. The product is actually designed for hydroponics and aquaponics systems. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is my project Obstacle Avoiding Robot.
This is the robot that I have prepared. This robot system is equipped with ultrasonic sensor which enables the microcontroller to visualize the obstacles in front of it and roll the motor according to it. Obstacle avoiding robots can be used in almost all mobile robot navigation systems. They can be used for household work like automatic vacuum cleaning. They can also be used in dangerous environments where human penetration could be fatal.
Good morning everyone, and this is my project Solar Dragon.
As we are aware of the sustainable development that is being implemented throughout the world, and the solar panel is one of the prime factors, but due to the heavy weight of the panel, they are very hard to move, and thus they reduce the effectiveness. But this robot system can actually make it easier, as it will move the solar panel with the change of the sun. The robot system will work on very simple fundamentals. The mechanical system will be handled by the servo, the brain will be the microcontroller, the controls will be received by the Bluetooth module, and the signal will be sent by a handheld device.